Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Armor Amulet in Gothic 1 Remake. The Armor Amulet is one of the easiest defensive accessories to obtain early in the game, and it provides a significant boost to your survivability. First things first, you need to learn the climbing skill to reach this location. We have a video on the channel showing how to learn the skill, so please make sure to check it out. Now head down to the shore at this location, as shown here on the map. Jump into the shipwreck, then run up to the bowsprit and grab the climbable wall in front of you. Climb toward the right side and follow this linear path until you reach a hidden goblin cave. Clear out all the goblins in the area so you can explore safely. Also be careful because there is a troll at the end of the cave. If you're underleveled or undergeared, this enemy can be very difficult to defeat. You can also crouch walk as this will prevent the troll from noticing you. Once you get past the troll, loot the chest in this corner to obtain the captainship key. Now head back out to the open section of the cave and jump back into the ocean. Swim back toward the shore where the shipwreck is located. Avoid the fire lizards and unlock this door using the key we found in the goblin cave. On the floor to your right, you'll find the Longsword. This sword deals 40 damage with only a 30 strength requirement to equip, making it a valuable weapon because of its damage to strength value. And that's how to get the Longsword in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.